In November 2022, FTX collapsed overnight. One day, it was the world's second largest crypto exchange, worth $32 billion. The next day, it was bankrupt and under investigation for fraud. Millions of users woke up to find their crypto frozen, billions of dollars gone, possibly forever. Sam Bankman-Fried, who had been on magazine covers as the savior of crypto, was using customer funds to prop up his failing hedge fund. I was an FTX customer too, but I didn't lose a penny. Every purchase I made was immediately followed by one simple action: transferring my assets to my own wallet, while others treated exchanges like banks, storing their wealth on someone else's platform. I treated them like what they really are: necessary evils good for one thing only: converting between crypto and regular money. The day FTX went dark, those with personal wallets continued trading, accessing and using their crypto as if nothing happened. Not for my friend Jennifer, though, a graphic designer from Portland who had been investing in crypto for 2 years. She had $15,000 split between her FTX account and her personal MetaMask wallet, $8,000 on FTX and $7,000 in her MetaMask. When FTX collapsed, the $8,000 portion gone, locked up in bankruptcy proceedings that are still ongoing years later. The MetaMask portion still there, still accessible, still completely under our control. She could trade it, send it, use it in DeFi protocols. Nothing changed for the crypto she actually controlled. The difference wasn't luck or timing. It was custody. Jennifer controlled her MetaMask wallet because she had the keys. FTX controlled her exchange account because they had the keys to those funds, not her. As they say in crypto, not your keys, not your crypto. This isn't just a catchy slogan. It's the fundamental principle that separates Web3 from traditional finance. Today, you're going to get your keys and join the ranks of people who actually own their digital assets. MetaMask is your personal Web3 wallet. Think of it like a bank account you completely control, but also your passport to the decentralized internet. Every Web3 application you will ever use will connect through a similar wallet. Let's set it up properly and securely. First, security warning. Go directly to MetaMask.io. Type this URL manually. Never click links from emails or social media. Fake MetaMask sites are common scams. Look for the lock icon in your browser and verify the URL is exactly MetaMask.io. Download for your browser. I'm using Chrome here, but Firefox, Brave, and Edge work the same way. Click Download for Chrome, and then Add to Chrome. You'll see it appear as a Fox icon in your browser extensions. This Fox icon will become your gateway to Web3. Click Get Started and then create a wallet. MetaMask will ask if you want to help improve the service. This is up to you. It doesn't affect security. Next, you'll set a password. This password protects your wallet on this specific device. Only make it strong. But understand that this isn't your master key. We'll get to that in a moment. The password is just for convenience when you're using MetaMask on this computer. If you lose this password, you can always recover your wallet with what we're about to create next. This next step is the most important thing you'll do in this entire course. MetaMask will show you a 12-word seed phrase, also called a recovery phrase or mnemonic. This 12-word phrase is your wallet. It's more important than your password, more important than your device, more important than MetaMask itself. Here's what you need to understand. These words can recreate your wallet on any device, anywhere in the world. If your computer crashes, if you delete the browser extension, if MetaMask disappears as a company, as long as you have these 12 words, you can recover everything. But here's the critical part. If someone else gets these words, they own your crypto completely. They don't need your password. They don't need your device. They don't need anything else, just these 12 words. And they can drain your wallet instantly. And if you lose these words, your crypto is gone forever. Not temporarily inaccessible, gone forever. MetaMask can't help you. Customer service can't help you. Nobody can help you. The blockchain doesn't have password recovery. Write them on paper. Read them or screenshot, never email. Never stored digitally anywhere. Some people write them on 2 pieces of paper and store them in different locations. Some people buy metal plates to engrave them on for fire protection. Treat these words like they are worth millions of dollars because someday they might be. Complete these 6 critical steps right now. Pause the video if needed and take your time. This is your foundation for everything we'll do in Web3. First, write your 12-word seed phrase on paper using the reveal button. Use a pen, not pencil. Write clearly. Consider writing it twice on separate pieces of paper. Double-check every word against what's on screen. One wrong word and you lose everything. Second, store that paper somewhere actually secure. Not your desk drawer, not taped to your monitor. Think safe deposit box, fireproof safe, or at minimum a locked drawer that others can't access. Some students put one copy at home and one at their parents' house or office. Third, test your seed phrase before you do anything else. Delete the MetaMask extension and reinstall it. Then recover your wallet using your 12 words. This ensures you wrote them down correctly. If it doesn't work, you wrote something wrong. Fix it now before you put any money in the wallet. Fourth, IOT the Polygon Mumbai testnet for practice. Click the network dropdown, then add a network manually. You'll need these details. Network name, Polygon Mumbai, RPCURPLR, https://rpc-mumbai.maticvideo.com. Chain ID 80001. Currency symbol MATIC. The block explorer https://mumbai.polygonscan.com. This gives you a safe playground for learning. Fifth, set up your security settings. Click the 3 dots, go to settings, then advanced and turn on show test networks so you can see Mumbai. Also, go to security and privacy and consider turning on sign in with biometrics if you want extra convenience. Sixth, take a screenshot of your wallet address, the long string starting with 0x, and post it in our Discord, #wallet addresses channel with the message, "To my first Web3 wallet is ready." Don't worry. Wallet addresses are public by design, like email addresses. Do these 6 steps now and don't skip any. Your entire Web3 journey depends on getting this foundation right. If you rush through this, you'll regret it later. Remember Jennifer's story. She kept her crypto safe during the FTX collapse because she controlled her keys, not FTX. You now have that same power and responsibility. You're no longer dependent on exchanges, banks, or any centralized institution to hold your digital assets. This is financial sovereignty. You own your money completely, but with great power comes great responsibility. Guard those 12 words like they're worth millions, because someday they might be. Never share them with anyone, never type them into any website, never take photos of them. If someone messages you claiming to be MetaMask support asking for your seed phrase, it's a scam. MetaMask will never ask for your seed phrase. You now understand why the FTX collapse didn't affect people who controlled their own wallets. You are about to join that group. In the next video, we'll connect your new wallet to your first decentralized application and see Web3 in action. You will experience what it feels like to use applications without creating accounts, giving personal information, or trusting companies with your money. Get ready to see the future of the internet.